Welcome back. I created an empty project, empty views activity in Android Studio called grocery application. Now let's design the layout of this application. I'll start by changing the background of this constraint layout and I'll set it to this color. This is good. And I remove this text view. This layout contains image view and a recycler view. So I'll start with the image view that will act as a header. I'll copy these from my desktop, these assets, and you can download them from the resources folder under this section. I'll copy them and move to Android Studio, go to Drawables and paste it here. Click OK and make sure that all the images start with small letters. Okay, it's very simple. Now I'll use this image as an image src and resource. So global header, and you can see it. This is our image view. Now I'll add constraints end to end of parent, start to start of parent, and top to top. I'm linking it to the top of parent. Okay, this is our header. Now I'll create our recycler view. Match parent, and the height is 0dp, following the constraints. And you can see it. Here is our recycler view. I'll add the constraints to link it under the header image. I'll add an ID, recycler view. Background would be the same color. I'll add the constraints and margin. Also, you can drag and drop it and add the constraints visually. This is our layout. This is our header, and this is our recycler view. But wait, what is recycler view? Recycler view is a UI user interface component in Android that is used to display a scrollable list or grid of elements. It's a more flexible and advanced version of the older ListView and grid view components, and is part of Android X library. The primary purpose of RecyclerView is to efficiently display large data sets of items by recycling and reusing views as the user scrolls through the list. This recycling mechanism makes it more memory efficient compared to list views, grid views, and other UI components. Now, let's design the layout for each item that we're going to display in this recycler view.